Guys, welcome back to my channel Learn with Omii. In the previous lecture, we learned more about data types and what is more about we learn more about mutable data types and immutable data types. But now in this lecture, we are going to deep dive in the concept of list, which is an mutable data type. So in this lecture, we are going to learn more about how we can add a new element or how we can delete an element or we can replace or update. So these three operations we are going to perform. So this because of this we are going to know this known this as this it is an mutable data type. So now look here in this list we are going to have these three types of method: append, extend, and insert. But before that we are going to add elements. We know that a list is equal to 1, 2, 3, 10, 20, 30, and 40. So I have added this element in the list. Yes. So this is just a simple way we can add element in this list. Now moving to the append. What is meant by basically in the append? Append means we can add elements which likewise in the ordered form. The basic definition of an append is that it is a list method used to add one element at the end of the list. Means we can able to add one element at the end of the list. When I run this query, I am going to get that this is making an error. So wait, I will clear it. Now I will run this query. So look here, we are going to get that 39 as an last element. So we append this 39 and after 40 we are getting this 39 number. So now if I run this L dot extend Omii. So now you are going to know about append method. Then we are going to add an element at the end. But what is the meaning of this extend? If I put this extend, then this will take element in an iterable format in one by one way. So look here, we have already the list that 1, 2, 3, 10, 20, 30, 40, and 39. When I put L dot extend, when I enter this L dot extend only, then it has taken in the one by one format itself. Look this is OMI. Yeah. So this is an method that how the extend method works. It will add elements in the iterable in one by one format. So now the next will is that insert method. This method is going to be insert at an any index position. Look here, I right now put here L dot insert. We need to provide here index means the value uh, as like key, and I need to put this variable at Omii Python at the index of the sixth position. So when I run this query and when I'm going to print this L, then look here at the index position 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, and this is we got the Omii.python. So in this way, insert command is going to be work. Now look here, another small example. If I run this query, we have taken the list as L is equal to 1 into 2, and now I am going to insert L dot insert at the position of 2. I am going to insert chain 2. So this is going to be print out 1, 2, and chain 2. In simple way, we have gone across through these three commands: append, extend, and insert. So in this way, we learn this command, and in further videos, we are also going deep dive in all the methods having in string. So stay tuned. Have a nice day. Happy learning. Bye bye.